I'm gonna open it with a bobby pin because I'm too lazy to get scissors. So I opened it successfully. And it comes with a shirt. And the shirt is of Archer. What? Archer. Archer. It's a good shirt. Oh, and it's political for the 2016 election, so it's a relevant Archer shirt. So that one's cool. There's a Harley Quinn statue. That's cool, that's cool. Socks! Yeah, socks! Kill Bill socks. Kill Bill socks. Lapel pin of some girl of World of Warcraft. Yeah. Cardboard. Cardboard goes on this. You make something out of it. Go like this. Or something. Yeah, and this goes like that, I think. Yeah. And the right hand of Doom from Hellboy. Yeah, and that was everything. Yeah.
Open the Hellboy.
Oh, no, wait. It's a book. And the book shows everything that it has.
Let's see the right hand of Doom.
Alright, they're calling for it. The people want it. I'll give it to them. I'll give them my right hand of Doom. Yeah, so it's like a hand. It's got this thing. I thought it would make a noise. I don't know. It's a hand.
It's the right hand of Doom.
Fist.
Yeah, you can fist bump it.
And yeah, that's everything.